guys? Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. Today is what, the 14th? It's the last day of my 7-day no sugar challenge. I am 165 pounds, you guys, period. So I lost 8 pounds in these last 7 days from not eating no junk. And I was sick. If y'all see the video from yesterday, y'all can see, well, from before this one, y'all see that I was sick over the whole weekend. Me and my kids, I guess we got, you know, this weather. I don't understand. It's this weather. Like, it was literally 60-something degrees on what, Friday and Saturday. And Saturday I was moving around, took my jacket off and all that outside. So then Sunday had the nerve to snow, and it's cold as hell now. So that's why we got sick. But nonetheless, you guys, so today, only thing I did have like 3 strawberries. I had that jerk chicken from yesterday. It was only 1 piece left, and I had some rice. So I didn't really eat much today. Somebody made me like a little personal pan of Alfredo, since I got a little bit of heavy cream left. I'm about to go ahead and make me some shrimp Alfredo. That's gonna be my dinner. So yeah. I'm excited. I'm almost, I got 23 more pounds to go till I get to that 142, that pre-baby weight. And I'm gonna show y'all the progress. I'm gonna show y'all the before and afters real soon. So just stay tuned. Purr. All right, I'm about to go ahead and cook. All right, so we are ready. I'm using linguine noodles. I'm gonna drink some tea as well. So I'm just gonna put, that should be enough. This is just a personal pan. It's a little personal pan. Damn, that's all I got. That's all I had left. Damn, I need some more basil. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. All right, let's put this cheese in here. So we just gonna use this Italian style blend. It has a mixture of all the cheeses. Dinner is served. My shrimp Alfredo. All right, wait a minute. Baby over here eating. This is her food. She's trying to eat some. Yes, we all recovering, you guys. We're all recovering. Yeah, she didn't go to school today. She ain't going tomorrow either. We need to get back 100% first. So, yeah, y'all, I'm about to tear this food up, feed my baby. And I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next video. Peace.